There's another interesting question. Give me Bible verses against witchcraft. So let's search three Bible verses against witchcraft. So let's see. The Bible has several verses against the practice of witchcraft and sorcery. Exodus chapter 22, verse 18. You shall not permit a sorceress to live. Wow, this is scary. Let's take a look. What is this? Exodus. Let's learn more. This verse emphasizes the seriousness of witchcraft in God's eyes, well, making it a capital offense in ancient Israel, reflecting the society's rejection of practices that threatened their covenant with God and moral fabric of their community. Wow. Okay. Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 10 to 12. There shall not be found among you anyone who practices witchcraft, or a soothsayer, or one who interprets omens, or a sorcerer, or one who conjures spells, or a medium, or a spiritist, or the one who calls up the dead. So, what is a soothsayer? Let's take a look. A soothsayer, a person who claims to have ability to foretell the future or discover hidden information through various forms of divination such as reading omens, astrology, or interpreting dreams. The Bible warns against consulting soothsayers, considering it a form of rebellion against God. It's in Isaiah 47, verse 13, and Micah 3 and 7. Oh, okay. Now I learned something today. Okay, and the last one, Galatians chapter 5, 19, verse 21. Now the works of the flesh are evident, which are adultery, fornication, uncleanness, lewdness, idolatry, sorcery. Yes, sorcery is here. Hatred, contention, jealousies, outbursts of wrath, selfish ambitions, dissensions, heresies, envy, murders, drunkenness. Oh, if you're a drunk, you love to drink, revelries, and the like, of which I tell you beforehand, just as I also told you in the time past, that those who practice such things will not inherit the kingdom of God. Wow, there's a lot here. What is revelries? Let's take a look. Revelries refer to occasion of boisterous or tumultuous celebration, often involving excessive drinking, noise, or riotous behavior. Oh, that's revelries. Wow. In simple term, this term is associated with lack of self-control and focus on worldly pleasures rather than spiritual pursuits. Conclusion. Witchcraft and sorcery are strongly condemned in the Bible, seen as opposing God's will and his nature. Wow. Okay, now there you go.